In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a link in your Gmail. So what we can do is go ahead and click on a video link on YouTube and we'll share that through an email. So go to YouTube and go ahead and pick a video that you want to share. Typically, you'll have the three dots on the far right-hand side. If you click those, you can share it from this point forward. But if you don't know that, you can go ahead and just
I
click
wanted to
on the
do a
video link itself. And once that video loads up, you'll get a share option or the share button below the video, and go ahead and click that arrow. And what we want to do is go ahead and copy the link. So you're copying the actual YouTube URL. So let's go out of here and go find our Gmail. And what we're going to do is go ahead and hit compose at the bottom right hand corner. We're just going to make and send a new email. Let's just pick a random address here. And let's just put a subject line in here. So to post or paste the video in the email, all you have to do is go ahead and click and hold. And then you'll get an option to paste. And that YouTube link has been pasted. Gmail does a good job about pasting the actual YouTube link in the email, so it automatically becomes a clickable link. So once you're done, go ahead and hit send like you normally would. Email's been sent, and we can go back to our sent folder. So let's go to our three bars at the top left-hand corner. Go down to sent. We'll go ahead and click that email, and there you have it. The link is there. So if you were to click on the link, it will just bring you back to that video. That's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and send it.